on my way to the gym. It's Saturday morning and I'm ready to go. I'm so proud of myself. I cannot stop saying that because I've never been this focused on taking care of myself. The way I live my life is pretty selfless. So I'm really just trying to prioritize myself just a little bit, you know, going to the gym, taking care of myself. After the gym, I'm gonna go get my nails done. So I have a bit of a break. My husband took the kids to the park and it's just me, myself, and I think it's good. I really think that I'm starting to like this new Heidi. I'm still the same. My family is first, always, no matter what. That's never gonna change. But, you know, I think it's time for me to stop feeling guilty when it comes to making time for myself, you know? I really think it's super important. So if I'm happy, my kids are happy. So, yeah.
Blue dew, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue dew, bad mood, sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your clouds are soft. Are you out all tired, singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue.
Went straight to Publix after the gym because I'm starving. And as you saw, I was doing Zumba, which to be honest, I was completely lost. I felt so out of place in that class. But it was fun, and now I'm just eating a little bit of papaya, which you know how much I love my papaya, especially in the mornings. And it's such a beautiful day here in Miami. It's kind of nice to have some alone time today, you know, like a solo date. I kind of needed this just to clear my mind a little bit. And yeah, I have to head out in 10 minutes to get my nails done. So yeah, just gonna enjoy a little time here by myself. I showered, I did my hair, I did my makeup, and I feel so much better. I feel like going to the gym and just having a little bit of me time, sitting down, thinking, and just eating my papaya was such a good thing. It's such a simple thing, you know, I just went to go get my nails done into the gym, but it really did kind of de-stress me a lot. So yeah, you should try it. But I have 2 PR packages here that I want to open up with you. I've been kind of saving them so I can open them with you like we always do. I was thinking that I would love to hear from you guys on what kind of vlogs you would like to see. I heard another content creator that I sometimes watch. Her name is Stephanie. And she said, you know what, when you're a vlogger, don't hesitate to just vlog your life. Like, just vlog a realistic day in your life. Don't worry about it. If you think that people are going to think it's boring, just do it anyways. But I always struggle with that. Like, I want to make sure that if I'm vlogging a realistic day, that I'm not like boring you guys too much. So yeah, I would love to hear from you. But this package is from my absolute favorite. They truly have my heart, and you know it. Yves Saint Laurent. I love Yves Saint Laurent. No secret there. They are so kind. Here it is. Thank you so much for sending me these goodies. Oh my gosh, we have more perfume. You know. Let me show you. The funny thing is, whenever I go to Sephora or anywhere really, and I see the Yves Saint Laurent counter, I just feel some type of way. It's so weird because they're always sending me stuff. They show me so much love, and again, I've always felt just a weird, I've always felt just fascinated by this brand. I love it, you know that. So they sent me over the Libre de Perfume. I have all of them. I thought I had all of them, but I don't know, we'll see. See which one this one is. This one's even bigger. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Delicious, absolutely delightful. I love the scent of this. This one is the Libre Intense, and it smells amazing. It's extremely sophisticated. It's not the type of perfume that you're gonna put on and it's gonna be like offensive. It's powerful, yet very, very sophisticated and elegant. Love it. Thank you so much. So I gotta find a cute little spot for it. This is the bigger, I think this is the medium bottle. This is the one they sent me last time. Let me show you. Just so you could see the difference. And this is the bigger one. Which, by the way, I forgot to show you my nails. I went red today. I'm being so adventurous. I don't think I ever really wear red nail polish, so being a little different. And we got another Lash Clash mascara. Thank you so much, because mine is getting old. I've had it for a bit now and I use it all the time. It's the only mascara that I use. This is what it looks like. And let's see, this one is Extreme Volume Mascara. Ooh, so we'll see how it pans out to the one that I have. This is the one I have. We'll see how it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try these goodies out. I think this is eyeshadow based on the way that they kind of packaged it. Yeah, this is the mini couture clutch. I have the, let me see, I have the shade 300 and let me see the other one, 400. So let's see which one this one is. This one is the 710. Okay, let's see. This is their fall and winter one. Oh, it looks kind of the same as the one that I have. Wait, is this the same? Wait, let's check this because it's looking very similar to the one that I have. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, it looks almost identical to this, but it's not. It's not the same. I'm gonna show them to you. Okay, so this is the one that I got. Shade 710. It has these beautiful warm tones for fall and winter. Very, very beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be wearing this a whole lot. I love it. Okay, there's that one. And then this is, I originally got it confused with this one, but this has more like pinky tones. So yeah, they're not the same. So I have all of them now. Oh my gosh, how exciting. I think I'm gonna put this one in my drawer and then put my new one here, so I can try it out. Maybe we'll do our makeup next time together. We haven't done that in a while. Thank you so much. I do have another package, so let me get to it now. My rope keeps moving. By the way, I have the Chanel lipstick on my lips. I don't know if you could tell. It's this one, which I think I put, it's the shade 432. But I have to say, I'm very, very underwhelmed with this lipstick. I don't feel like it's the best in terms of like moisturizing my lips, and I like very, very creamy and moisturized kind of lipsticks. I don't like when they dry my lips at all. Not that this one does, but I just don't feel like it's that good. Maybe it's the color I got. As you can see, the color is very like natural. It's an everyday color. I like it, but I'm not gonna say it's my favorite because I just don't feel like it really moisturizes my lips the way that I would want a $50 lipstick to feel. I mean, it's pretty expensive. So, all right, so let's see what's here. Okay. All right. I love how they package things. They're very careful about their packaging. It's nicely packaged. Oh, is this another mini couture pouch? What shade is this? Oh wait, is this the same? Hang on. I think they may have sent me the same shade twice. Maybe I'll gift this to my mom because it's the same as that one. So, and I think they sent me another mascara as well. Okay, not sure if that was, all right, and another mascara. Thank you so much. I have more than enough YSL products. They're my favorite. You know that I use them all the time. So yeah, maybe I'll give these two to my mom, share a little bit. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready so we can go enjoy this day because the day is extremely beautiful today in Miami. It's a beautiful fall day. I always say if you want to come to Miami, come during the fall and winter because this is when it's like beautiful. You can still technically go to the beach without any issues, but at the same time it's not like scorching hot. It's beautiful outside. You can wear a cute little blazer or even like a light sweater depending on the day, and it's super beautiful. So I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna head out. So I'm all dressed up and I'm way too lazy to even go to the den. I just wanted to show you real quick what I'm wearing on this vanity mirror. But this is the dress from last time from H&M that I showed you in last vlog. And I just love it. I think it's the perfect, cute little denim dress. I did decide to leave it with the belt that it comes with, which is this one. Usually I switch it up and I put one of my belts, but I think this is very casual. It's perfect for just going out with the kids, maybe for some ice cream. And yeah, I think it's super cute. I love the length. It's not overly short. It's not too long. It's like a short dress, but it's still appropriate. Like I wouldn't feel uncomfortable like bending a little bit. If it was any shorter, I'd feel uneasy because I feel like I'd be flashing someone. So yeah, this is perfect. And so let me show you something. Look how much I have left of this perfume. I barely have anything here. So this came to me just on time. I'm gonna wear some right now because I just love this. So can you do an OOTD?
I'm wearing a skirt.
Yes.
A shirt.
Yeah, I see that. What color is it?
Purple.
Nice. What? I feel like it's more like lilac, but you're right. It's purple. Oh wow! Can we get a little turn there? Oh, I love that. And what perfume are you wearing?
Bobby's.
Oh, what is it called though? The Yves Saint Laurent one. You guys, I'm not even lying to you. She likes that perfume. She wears it sometimes. It's a little bit strong for you though, right?
Yeah.
But it does smell good.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't be a stranger in the night. Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down for someone like me.
Lady crying. It's so embarrassing. She even told me to download the app because I would get like points if I did that.
Hey, you guys, look at me.
So yeah, we got cookies and we're gonna go get pizza and we're just gonna chill at home tonight.
Knows what to do and how to take care of you, but most of all, that deserves you. The sweetest red cheese I'd ever seen. You stand